My name is Dan Benson.
I'm Colin McDonald.
My name is Michael Herrick.
My name is Victor Linares. It is really exciting time at Foth, and we're growing here in California.
We have a broad pool of professionals throughout our environment, infrastructure, and our production solutions teams. And we all come together throughout the different geographies to help support our clients in California.
All the other places I've worked, everything's been on me. At Foth, if I got a problem, there's 10 other people who've done the same thing. It's nice to have all those people waiting to help.
Foth provided me a lot of opportunities to work on projects and technologies that I was unfamiliar with, so I've been learning a lot, changing rapidly now with automation and AI and everything. I feel like we're on the forefront of this technology, and it's a great company to work for.
One of my favorite things about California is that I could be camping on the beach one weekend, and then the following weekend I can visit winter in Lake Tahoe and enjoy some world-class skiing. So it's really exciting when I get to work on a project where I get to also benefit from those opportunities as well.
Our clients in California face some of the toughest engineering and climate challenges, and we solve them.
We all come together to support each other no matter where the project is located.
It's really cool to be a part of helping clients deliver results to their customers.
Help us to find the solutions to our clients' toughest science and engineering challenges here in California.